What is up, everybody? So yeah, you have stumbled upon this video and you know exactly why you are here, to know about these cars, to have a 360-degree detailed review of these cars and to know some facts. And yes, there are facts, so stay tuned till the end of the video as I unbox these beautiful cars from the Hot Wheels Then and Now series. So on the left we have the 67 Ford GT Mark IV, and on the right we have the 2016 Ford GT Race. Right, and let's get to it. Let's unbox them. Okay, so first up we have this car, 67 Ford GT Mark IV. Just pray to God that I don't damage the box. If you like such videos and if you want to know more and if you think you're missing out on these videos, I would suggest you to subscribe to the channel. And this car is out of the box. Oh, wow, beautiful car. Oh, this is stunning. Let me get some light here. Okay, this is almost as green as this one, okay, but a bit darker. Alright, so let's talk about this car. So this casting made its appearance in 2021. It is designed by none other than the legendary Ryu Asada. Okay, now history of this car. So this was the final iteration of the Ford GT40, the Mark IV. This is the Mark IV version, right? This is from the Ford GT40, and this car competed in only two races. One is the 12 hours of Sebring and the 24 hours of Le Mans, both in 1967, and this car has undoubtedly won both these races. An interesting fact about this car, that this was the only version which was designed and built in the United States. The Mark 1 and 2 and 3, these three iterations were designed and built in United Kingdom. Okay, now coming to the livery of this. So the livery was done by Mr. Lee Chang on this casting. So you can see the number 27, the Ford here, Ford Racing, the MWG branding, Hot Wheels logo here, HWGRFX. You can see the flames here. You come at the back, you can see that exhaust note and the other details being embossed. On the other side you have the same livery and that flame continues here as well. In the front you have the acrylic headlamps with 27 badging on the hood, and along with HWGRFX and MWG badging. You have a racing stripe, white racing stripe on the back and on the top. You also see the flames here on the headlamps. They start from here and they go all the way back till here. Okay, so let's do a short quick roll test. I will roll it just once. Okay, so this has a slight wheel wobble in the front, not much. Now coming to this casting, we'll unbox this one. As okay, this has already come out, so this is the first time ever happened on this channel that I have not used the knife, and this is the fastest unboxing of a car. So coming to this car, let me take you closer to the car. Wow, this is a gorgeous car. This is a very gorgeous car. So talking about this car making its appearance in the Hot Wheels lineup, this car was produced in 2017 and it is still in production. And of course, even this is designed by Mr. Ryu Asada. Alright, I hope my camera is doing a proper justice of this color, and I can say that it is 99.99% true to the natural color that I'm seeing here with my eyes, and that is shown on your screen right now. So this car was built for endurance racing, the 2016 Ford GT race car, right? And this car has a victory to its name, and it is of the 2016 24 Hours Le Mans, 50 years after the Ford's first victory at the race. And the first one was done by this car. So that is why these both cars are necessary in then and now series. So you know now the history of these cars. Okay, talking about the livery on this one, it has a 17 number badging on this, on the sides. Okay, Hot Wheels logo here. You have this plastic spoiler, and you can see this a huge rear lip, if I'm not wrong, to create that drag. Diffusers, yeah, this is a diffuser, and you can see the tail lamp details embossed on that. You can also see the 17 badging here and that black dash sort of thing, design element, Hot Wheels logo. And in the front we have the painted headlights with the Ford logo on this one. The racing stripes continue till the back to the hood, and the 17 number badging here. You can also see the scoops here on the hood. Pretty good detailed car, and both these cars have a tinted glass. Okay, this is a very cool car. Let's do a quick roll test of this car as well. Zooming out. Sorry. Yeah, rolls fine, not bad. Yeah, some wheel wobble in the front, the same as this one. So yeah, these are pretty crazy castings of this Hot Wheels then and now series. Okay, I'm pretty sure as an Hot Wheels enthusiast and a car enthusiast, a collector would love these cars in their collection. And I'm happy to announce that I am really glad that I got these two cars. And officially, and not officially, I'm blanking, sorry, cancelled officially. So I actually got these cars for MRP, that is 179 rupees as of 2024, and two brilliant cars. Yeah, I've not shown the base. So this has a white base, pretty minimal base here. First time I'm seeing in a Hot Wheels it doesn't have this oval shape or something, and even this one has a pretty minimal base. Okay, so that is it from this video. Don't miss out on the Hot Wheels then and now series that is coming up this week. Next up we have pretty crazy cars lined up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss an update. And if you don't have these cars, I'd suggest them, I'd recommend them. I would recommend them that you buy these cars. Okay, just like you, I am human, and to err is human. Okay, error is okay. Embracing the error is much better. So with that note, I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting and have a happy life. Bye bye. Beautiful cars, right?